You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Rio Tinto nearly doubled copper profit to $7.4 billion last year, leaning on the metal to defend its growth strategy after ending takeover talks with Glencore. Group EBITDA rose to $25.4 billion. Net profit slipped to $10 billion as higher costs offset stronger operating performance. Now, Chief Executive Simon Trott said copper now sits at the center of Rio's strategy. Nearly 85% of the exploration spending this year will be directed toward the metal amid rising demand tied to electrification and the energy transition. Gold Fields says it remains open to further acquisitions as it reshapes its portfolio and boosts returns. That's the word from Chief Executive Mike Fraser. The miner is targeting consolidation in Western Australia's Goldfields region. It is also looking to expand in Canada and add exposure in South America. Over the past year, Goldfields acquired Osisko Mining for $1.58 billion and Gold Road Resources for $2.6 billion. Exploration spending has jumped to $298 million in 2025, more than tripling year on year, with a focus on Canada and renewed greenfield drilling in Australia. Now, Fraser says replacing reserves through exploration remains key to extending mine life and underpinning long-term growth. Gold's record rally and renewed interest in rare earths have driven explosive gains among junior miners on the TSX Venture Exchange. Mining companies dominated this year's TSX V50 ranking, accounting for 48 of the 51 spots, with a list based on market cap growth, share price gains, and trading value. Santa Cruz Silver Mining led the table, posting more than 11-fold rise in both market capitalization and share price by year-end 2025. Ucore Rare Earth Metals followed closely, also delivering gains of more than 1,000% as investors backed North American rare earth processing ambitions. Well, together, the mining firms on the list carried a combined market value of nearly $20 billion, and average share price gains of more than 400% this year. AngloGold Ashanti has taken a 5% stake in Canada's Thesis Gold, investing about 38.7 million Canadian dollars, or an equivalent of $28 million US dollars, for just under 14 million shares. Thesis' flagship asset is the Lawyers Ranch gold project in British Columbia. Chief Executive Ewan Webster said the investment validates the scale and quality of the project. He noted AngloGold's technical depth and global operating experience could help further de-risk and advance the asset. Under the agreement, AngloGold retains the right to maintain its 5% interest by participating in future financing. And that's where we leave your news headlines for now.